Hello everyone, welcome back in Arena World Education. Here we make mathematics easy and interesting. In our previous classes, we have explored various measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode. Today we will delve deeper into understanding how data varies around these central values by introducing a new topic, mean deviation. Mean deviation is very crucial for analyzing consistency and variability in data. Understanding mean deviation is not only crucial for CBSE, IGCSE, or IBDP, it is very important for our real life situations, right? So let us start today's interesting topic of statistics and be ready with your pen and notebook to write down few important concepts. And these are the objectives of today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the concept of mean deviation. You will be able to calculate mean deviation about the mean and median for ungrouped and grouped data. And you will be able to interpret the significance of mean deviation in real life context. So let us quickly recap what we have learned about mean and median in our previous classes. If I talk about mean, so I think everybody knows about mean. Mean is also called as arithmetic average or simply average. So how to find mean? What we do, we find the sum of all the observations and we divide it by number of observations. So this is very easy, right? If I talk about median, so then what is the first step? We write the data in ascending or descending order, right? If number of terms are odd, so then easily you can find the middle value. But if number of terms are even, so then what is median? Median will be the average of middle two, right? Now look at this one. While mean and median provide central values, but they don't inform us about the spread or dispersion of data around these centers. So then there is mean deviation comes into play. So let us discuss about mean deviation. Yes, so mean deviation is the average of absolute differences between each data point and a central value. Central value can be mean or median, right? When it comes to mean deviation about the mean, so this is the formula. And when it comes to mean deviation about the median, this is the formula. And what is X bar? Yes, X bar is the mean of the data. What is M? M stands for median of the data, right? Xi is what? Individual data points. And N is the number of observations. If I talk about Xi minus X bar, so that is what? Deviation from the mean, right? And we have taken its absolute value. When it comes to xi minus m, so that is what? Deviation from the median. And here we are taking its absolute value, right? So these are few basics about mean deviation. So now it's time for practice. The first question is find the mean deviation about the mean for the data. So data is given, these are xi values, right? Xi values means this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8 in this way, right? So what is our first target? Xi minus x bar, right? This is what? Deviation from the mean, right? To find this, what we need? X bar. And what is X bar? Yes, X bar is what? X bar means mean. And mean is what? Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. If you add all these xi's, so what is this? These are summation xi. And this will be equal to 80, right? And how many terms are there? Yes, n will be equal to what? N will be equal to 8. right? So what is x bar? It is summation xi divided by number of observations. So this is equal to 80 divided by 8. So x bar will be equal to 10, right? So now coming to this step, so xi minus x bar. X bar is 10. So if I take about x1, so 4 minus 10, it will be minus 6. 7 minus 10, yes, it is minus 3. 8 minus 10, minus 2. 9 minus 10, minus 1. 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. 13 minus 10, yes, 3. And 17 minus 10, it is 7. Now, what is the next step? We will take its absolute value. Absolute value means, yes, absolute value means whenever you will find negative number, so its absolute value will be positive number, right? So what is the absolute value of minus 6? It will be plus 6. Minus 3, it will be positive 3. Minus 2, it will be 2. Minus 1, it will be 1. And 0 is as it is. Positive numbers are as it is. 2, 3, and 7. Right? So now, coming to main point, what we will do, we will find the mean deviation. And these are the important formulae. I have written all the formulae here. You can see here, this formula is required, mean deviation about the mean. So what we will do, we will add this one. This is what? This is summation mod xi minus x bar, right? And n we have already calculated, n is 8. If you will add all these values, you will get 24, right? And what is your final result? Mean deviation about the mean. It will be 24 divided by 8, and answer is 3. So this is your final result. So in this way, you can easily solve the question, right? Let us try another one. Similar question. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data. Again, you can see xi are given, right? And to apply first step, we need what? Xi minus x bar, right? So what is x bar? Yes, we need sum of all xi's and we will divide it by n, right? So first of all, tell me what is the value of n? Yes, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And just find its sum. What is the answer? Yes. So sum will be 500. So what is the final result? It will be 500 divided by 10. So it means what is mean? Mean will be 50. I hope everybody is clear. Right? So now xi minus x bar. So we will start with all the xi's means first of all x1, x2, x3. So 30 minus 50, it is minus 12. 70 minus 50, it is 20. 48 minus 50, yes, it is minus 2. 40 minus 50, minus 10. 42 minus 50, minus 8. 55 minus 55. 63 minus 50, 13. 46 minus 50, minus 4. 54 minus 50, it is 4. And 44 minus 50, it is minus 6. In this way, you can easily find xi minus x bar. Now in next step, we will find absolute values of all these deviations, right? So here simply we will change negative value into positive value. So minus 12, absolute value of minus 12 will be 12 only. 20 will be as it is, right? Minus 2 will be 2. Minus 10 will be 10 only. Minus 8 will be 8. 5 will be as it is. 13 will be as it is. Minus 4 will be 4. And plus 4 is 4. Minus 6 is 6, right? So now this is the formula. Now to apply this formula, we need sum of all these values. And this is equal to 84. And if I talk about required result, that is mean deviation about the mean, it will be what? 84 divided by 10, and which is equal to 8.4. So this is your required result. I think everybody is clear. This is very easy. First of all, xi will be given. You have to calculate x bar. X bar means mean, right? So then deviation from the mean. So that will be the next step. And then its absolute value. And finally, we will find the sum and divide it by n. You will get the required answer, right? So let us move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, here we have to find mean deviation, but central value is median, right? So just like previous one, xi is given, but here we have to calculate median, right? So to find median, first of all, what we have to do, we have to arrange given data into ascending or descending order, right? So let us write it in ascending order. So what will be the first value? It is 10, then 11. 11 is 2 times. Then it is 12. So 12 is only 1 time. So then we are having 13. 13 is how many times? 2 times. Okay, then after 13 it is 14, and 14 is only 1 time. Then after 14 there is no 15. If we talk about 16, so 16 is only 2 times. So 16, 16. Then 17, 17 is 2 times. And what about 18? Yes, 18 is 1 time. So let me count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at the original one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means n is 12, right? So here number of terms are 12, means they are even numbers. So what we will do, we will find the average of middle two. So average of middle two means 6th and 7th term. So what is 6th and 7th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th and 7th term. So what will be the median? Median will be 13 plus 14 divided by 2. So this will be 13.5. Now what we will do, we will find difference of all xi's with 13.5. So look at this one, 13 minus m is what? M is 13.5. So 13 minus 13.5, yes, it will be minus 0.5. Here you have to be very, very careful because we are dealing with decimals, right? 17 minus 13.5, yes, it will be 3.5. 16 minus 13.5, yes, it will be 2.5. 14 minus 13.5, it will be 0.5. 11 minus 13.5, it will be minus 2.5. Then 13 minus 13.5, it will be minus 0.5. 10 minus 13.5, yes, it will be minus 3.5. 16 minus 13.5, yes, it will be 2.5. 11 minus 13.5, yes, it is again minus 2.5. 18 minus 13.5, yes, it will be 4.5. And 12 minus 13.5, it is minus 1.5. 17 minus 13.5, yes, it will be 3.5, right? So these are the deviations from the median. Now we will find the absolute value, right? So we will change negative to positive. What will be the first value? 0.5. It is simply 3.5. This will be 2.5. This will be 0.5 and this will be 2.5. This is minus 0.5 means its absolute value will be 0.5. This will be changed to positive value. Again, this will be as it is 2.5 minus 2.5. It will be 2.5 absolute value. 4.5 is as it is 4.5 minus 1.5 means it is positive 1.5 and 3.5 is as it is. Now, what is the next step? We will find its sum, right? So, what is the sum? Sum is 28, right? So, what is the final mean deviation about the mean? This is equal to 28 divided by 12, and this will be equal to 2.33. So, here in question number 3, what we have done, here we have to find mean deviation about the median, right? So xi is already given, but what was the first step? We have written all xi's into ascending order, right? Since n was what? 12, means number of terms were even. So we have taken average of middle two, and that is the median. So median was 13.5. So then, just like previous two questions, what we have done, we have found the difference xi minus median, right? So these are the values, and you have to be very, very careful because here we are dealing with what? Decimals, right? So then we have found the absolute value. After taking its sum, we will divide it by number of terms n, and we will get our desired result, right? Now, question number 4 is just like question number 3. Now it's your turn. You can stop this video at this point and you can try yourself. Then you can check my explanation whether your answer is right or wrong. Right? Okay. So take your time. So here in this question, what we will do, we will write given numbers into ascending or descending order. To save our time, let us write xi here. So now what is the minimum number? It is 36. So the first number is 36. So then after 36, yes, it is 42. So then we are having 42. Then we are having 45. Now you can see after 45, we are having 46, 2 times 46. So what we will do, 46, 46. Right? Then after 46, yes, what is the next number? Yes, it is 49. What is next number? Yes, it is 51. So just write 51 here. Then after 51, yes, it is 53. Then 60 and then 72. So 60 and 72. So here we have written all xi's in ascending order, right? So now count the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, n is what? N is an even number. So what will be median? Yes, median will be the average of middle two, means fifth and sixth term. So what is fifth and sixth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term is 46 and sixth term is 49 divided by 2. So what is the final answer? It is again a decimal number, not our loving number. It is 47.5. So this is the median, 47.5. So now what we will do, we will find difference of each xi's with median 47.5, right? So 36 minus 47.5. Yes, so this will be what? Minus 11.5. If I talk about 42 minus 47.5, yes, this will be minus 5.5. 45 minus 47.5, yes, it will be minus 2.5. 46 minus 47.5, yes, it will be minus 1.5. It is again minus 1.5. When we are having 49 minus 47.5, so this will be what? This will be 1.5 positive. 51 minus 47.5, yes, this will be 3.5. 53 minus 47.5, yes, this will be 5.5. And 60 minus 47.5, yes, this will be 12.5. 72 minus 47.5, so this will be, yes, 24.5. Very good. What is the next step? In next step, we will simply find absolute values of each deviation. While we take its absolute value, so negative value will change to positive. Positive will be as it is. So yes, what will be the first value? It is 11.5. Second is 5.5. Third will be 2.5. Fourth will be 1.5. Next will be again 1.5. Then 1.5, 3.5, 5.5. This is 12.5. And last is 24.5. Right? This is the formula. We need sum of all these values. And this will be equal to 70. Right? So what is final result? Yes, mean deviation about the median. It will be 70 divided by 10. And that is equal to 7. Right? So 7 will be the required mean deviation about the median. Right? So let us solve next question. In previous questions, only xi's were given. But now we are having fi, means for every number, frequency is also given. Number 5 is occurring 7 times. Number 10 is occurring 4 times. 15 is occurring 6 times. 20, 3 times. 25, 5 times. Right? So first of all, we have to find what? Mean deviation about the mean. So we want to find mean. And we know if xi and fi are given. Yes, tell me what is mean? Yes, it is summation fi xi divided by summation fi. 5 into 7, yes, 35. 10 into 4, 40. 15 into 6, 90. 20 into 3, 60. And 25 into 5, it will be 125. And we need the sum of all these values, fi, xi. This is equal to 350, right? And fi, yes, we need fi. So they will be, yes, 25. So what is the final answer? Yes, this will be 350 divided by 25. And this is equal to 14. It means, yes, mean is equal to 14. So what is the next step? Next step is just like question number 1. Difference of each xi with 14. Right? So 5 minus 14, yes, minus 9. 10 minus 14, minus 4. 15 minus 14, 1. 20 minus 14, 6. And 25 minus 14, 11. Now we will find the absolute values. Means we will change negative values to positive values. So this will be 9, this will be 4, and rest of the values will be as it is. Right? Now, what is the next step? fi into this mod xi minus x bar. Right? So let us multiply this fi and this every term. So 7 into 9, yes, 63. 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 1, 6. 3 into 6, 18. And 5 into 11, this will be 55. Very good. So now what we will do, we will find the sum because we have to apply this result. So sum will be 158, right? And what is mean deviation about the mean? Yes, it will be 158 divided by 25. And this will be equal to 6.32. And this is your required mean deviation about the mean for this data. I hope everybody is clear. Let us solve question number 6, which is similar to question number 5. Now it's your turn. You can stop this video at this point and you can try yourself, right? So first step is FIXI. So that is 10 into 4, it is 40. 30 into 24, it is 720. Then 28 into 50, yes, this will be 1400. 70 into 16, yes, this will be 1120. And last 19 to 8, this will be 720. Right? So we want to find mean. And mean is what? Mean will be sum of this summation Fixi divided by summation Fi. So mainly what we will do, we will find sum of this one, this column, and sum of this. So this will be equal to 4000. And Fi, how many terms are there? That is 80. So what is X bar? 4000 divided by 80. So this will be equal to 50. It means 50 is the mean. Right? What is the next step? Yes, we will find the difference of each term with 50. 10 minus 50, minus 40. 30 minus 50, minus 20. 50 minus 50, 0. 70 minus 50, yes, it is 20. And 90 minus 50, it is 40. What is the next step? We will find absolute value, right? So minus 40 will be written as plus 40, minus 20 will be plus 20, and rest of the numbers are as it is, right? What is the next step? We will multiply Fi with each xi minus x bar modulus, right? So 4 into 40, yes, it is 160. 24 into 20, yes, it is 480. 28 into 0, it is 0 only. 16 into 20, it is 320. And 8 into 40, it is again 320. Now what is the sum? It is 1280. It is 1280. And what is the final result? Yes, mean deviation about the mean is 1280 divided by what? 80. That will be equal to, yes, 16. And 16 is the required mean deviation about the mean for this data. Is it clear or not? I hope everybody is clear about this question. Now question number 7. Here we have to find mean deviation about the median. Now it is about the median, right? Again, you can see along with xi, fi are also given. So what will be the first step? In first step, we will find CF. CF means cumulative frequency, right? How we find it? Look at the first one. It will be 8 only. But in second, what we will do? We will add the previous one. So 6 plus 8, it is 14. For next one, 14 plus 2, 16. Right? Then 16 plus 2, 18. Then 18 plus 2, 20. And 20 plus 6, it is 26. After finding cumulative frequency, it means n is what? N is 26. Means total number of terms are 26. Right? Now, if number of terms are 26 and we are dealing with median, it means number of terms are even. And if number of terms are even, so median will be what? Average of middle two. Average of 13th and 14th term. 5 is having frequency 8 means 5 is repeating 8 times. Similarly, 7 is repeating 6 times. And we are looking for 13th and 14th term. And you can see 8 plus 6, 14. It means, yes, 13th and 14th term, both are same. That is 7 and 7. It means median will be what? Average of 13 and 14 terms. So 7 plus 7 divided by 2. So median is 7. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So now what is the next step? Same, just like question number 3, xi minus m. M is 7. So what is xi? Yes, 5. First term is 5 minus 7. It is minus 2. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 7, 3. 12 minus 7, 5. And 15 minus 7, it is 8. What is the next step? We will find absolute value. And here we are having only one negative number. So this will be positive and rest will be as it is. 2, 3, 5 and 8. Now next step is fi into mod xi minus m, right? So mainly what we are doing, we are multiplying this fi with mod xi minus m. So yes, 8 into 2, it is 16. 6 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 5, 10. And 6 into 8, 48. Now to apply this formula, we need sum of all these numbers. And this is equal to 84. So what is final result? Yes, mean deviation about the median. This will be 84 divided by number of terms are 26. And what is the final result? It will be 3.23. And this is the required mean deviation about the median for given data. I hope everybody is clear, right? So let us try another one. First of all, we will find CF. So CF is, first term is 3. So 3 plus 5, yes, 8. Then 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. And 21 plus 8, 29. It means n is 29. Number of terms are odd. It means easily we can find median. Median will be what? It's middle term. And middle term of 29 terms. So that will be simply 15th term, right? So look at this one. 15 is repeating 3 times, then 21 is repeating 5 times, 27 is repeating 6 times, right? So till here, we are having 14 terms. 15th term will be 30, right? So median will be directly 30. I hope everybody is clear. Now, what is the next step? Yes, xi minus m. M is 30. So 15 minus 30, yes, minus 15. 21 minus 30, it is minus 9. 27 minus 30, it is minus 3. And 30 minus 30, it is 0. And 35 minus 30, it will be 5. Now we will find absolute values of each number. Absolute value of minus 15 will be 15. Minus 9, it is 9. Minus 3, it will be 3. And 0 and 5 will be as it is. Now, what is the next step? Yes, we will multiply each fi with mod xi minus m. So now 3 into 15, yes, it will be 45. Right? So this is what? This is 5. So 5 into 9, again 45. 6 into 3, it is 18. 7 into 0, 0. 8 into 5, it is 40. So now sum will be, yes, 148. Now what is mean deviation about the median? Yes, it will be 148 divided by 29. This will be equal to 5.1. And 5.1 is the required mean deviation about the median for given data. I hope everybody is clear now. Now let us solve question number 9. In question number 9, xi is not given. Fi, number of persons, means Fi is given, but xi is not given. In place of xi, we are having what? Class intervals. So now to find xi, what we will do? 0 plus 100 divided by 2. So that will be 50. Next one, 100 plus 200 divided by 2. So this will be 150, right? 200 plus 300 divided by 2, it will be what? 250. Then 300 plus 400, this will be 350. You can see there is a difference of 100. So directly you can write 450, 550, 650 and 750. Right? What is the next step? Yes, in next step, we will multiply Fi with Xi. Right? So each number 4 into 50, yes, this will be 200. 8 into 150, it is 1200. 9 into 250, yes, it is 2250. Then 10 into 350, this is simply 3500. 7 into 450, yes, 3150. 5 into 550, 2750. 4 into 650, 2600. And 3 into 750, yes, it is 2250. And now what is the sum? This will be 17,900, right? Now, what is summation Fi? Yes. So we are having total 50 terms, right? Now we will calculate mean. Mean is x bar. X bar will be equal to 17,900 divided by 50. This will be equal to 358. It means 358 is the mean. To save your time, what we are doing, we are finding xi minus x bar. If it is negative, so we will directly take its absolute value, means we will write the positive result. I am writing this is 358. So 50 minus 358, it is minus 308. But we are taking it absolute value, so this will be positive 308. Now 150 minus 358. So this will be equal to what? Minus 208, but we are taking its absolute value. So this will be positive 208, right? So now 250 minus 358, it is minus 108, but we are finding its absolute value. So this will be 108, right? 350 minus 358, it is minus 8, but we will write positive 8. 450 minus 358, this will be directly positive 92. 550 minus 358, just add 100. So this will be 192. Again add 100. So this will be 292. And 750 minus 358, 392. Now we will multiply each Fi with modulus xi minus x bar. While multiplying, you have to be very, very careful, because look at first one, 4 into 308, right? So what will be the product? It is 1232, right? Similarly, 8 into 208, yes, 8 to the 1600 and 8 8 is a 64. So this will be 1664, right? Similarly, you can see 9 into 108. So 9 into 100 is 900 and 9 into 8, 72. So it means this will be 972. Next one is 10 into 8 is okay. It is 80. So 7 into 92, yes, this will be, yes, 644. 5 into 192, it will be 960. Then 4 into 292, it will be 1168. And 3 into 392, this will be 1176. Finally, we will add all these numbers and we will get 7896, right? And what is the final result? Mean deviation about the mean. So this will be equal to 7896 and we will divide it by 50. 157.92. This will be your final result. That is mean deviation about the mean for given data. Calculation part is lengthy, but I know you guys are very good in calculation. So let us try question number 10. Just like previous question, here again we have to find mean deviation about the mean. And instead of xi, we are having class intervals. So what is the first step? Yes, we will find the midpoint. So 105 plus 95 divided by 2. Yes, this will be 200 divided by 2, that is 100. Look at second one. It is 105 plus 115. It means 220. So 220 divided by 2, it will be 110. 115 plus 125 divided by 2. It means this is 240 divided by 2. And this will be equal to 120. You can see the differences of 10. So rest of the numbers you can easily write. It is 130. This will be 140 and this will be 150. Right? Now next step is Fi into Xi. So this is Fi. So yes, 9 into 100, simply 900. 13 into 110, it is 1430. 26 into 120, yes, this will be 3120, right? And 30 into 130, I think this is very easy, 3900. 12 into 140, yes, this will be 1680, right? And last one is 10 into 150, this will be 1500. Now to find mean, what we will do, we will find this sum and this Fi, right? So this will be what? 12,530. And what is Fi? Total Fi will be 100. Now what is X bar? X bar means mean. So mean will be 12,530 divided by 100. So this will be equal to what? Again, we are having what? We are having a decimal number. So you have to be very, very careful. X bar is 125.3. So now what we will do, we will find xi minus x bar. X bar is 125.3 and then we will take its absolute value, right? So look at first one, 100 minus 125.3. So it is minus 25.3, but we are finding absolute value. We will simply write 25.3, right? Similarly, 110 minus 125.3. So this will be positive 15.3, not minus 15.3, because here we are writing its absolute value. Similarly, 120 minus 125.3, yes, it will be positive 5.3, right? And if you are finding it difficult, So first of all, what you can do, you can find xi minus x bar, right? So then you can find the absolute value. Now 130 minus 125.3. So it will be 4.7, right? 140 minus 125.3, simply we will add 10 more. So 14.7. 150, we will add 10 more. So this will be 24.7, right? So now what is the next step? Yes, we will multiply each fi with modulus xi minus x bar, right? So now this time you have to be very, very careful because we are multiplying 9 into a decimal number, 13 into a decimal number in this way, right? So 9 into 25.3, this will be 227.7. 13 into 15.3, this will be 198.9. Then 26.5.3, this will be 137.8, right? Then 30 into 4.7, yes, this will be 141. Then 12 into 14.7, this will be 176.4. Last one is 24.7 into 10. So this will be simple, 247. What is the sum? Yes, it is 1128.8, right? And what is the final result? That is mean deviation about the mean. That will be equal to 1128.8 divided by summation fi, and it was 100. So I think result at this point, this is easy. So this will be what? 11.288, or you can write 11.29. So this will be your final answer. I hope everybody is clear. So you have to be very, very careful while multiplying or adding the numbers. You cannot use your calculator, right? So you have to be very good in calculation part. Yes, this question is very tricky. Here we have to find mean deviation about the median, right? Again, class interval is given, right? And fi is already given. And we know if we have to find median, first of all, we calculate CF. CF is cumulative frequency. So what will be this? It will be 6, then 14, then 14 plus 14, 28, then 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, and 48 plus 2, it is 50. Means number of terms are 50, right? Now, coming to xi, it is again very easy. What is xi? Yes, this will be midpoint. So how to find midpoint? It is simply 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So this will be, first term will be 5, then 10 plus 20 divided by 2, it is 15. So now there will be a difference of 10. So this will be 25, this will be 35, then 45, and last is 55, right? So now for next step, we have to find xi minus m, means m is the median. Now to find median, approach is totally different. This is the formula to find median, right? Median is equal to what? L plus n upon 2. N we have already calculated. N means total number of terms. So that is equal to how much? They are 50, right? Minus C. C means cumulative frequency divided by F, right? Into H. So how to calculate this one? Look at first one. Whenever we have to find median, what we do? We check the number of terms. So here number of terms are 50. means they are even numbers, right? So if we talk about even numbers, so the median will be average of middle two. Now look at cumulative frequency here, 6, 14, 28, right? It means 25th term and 26th term. So they will lie in this one. This is called model class, right? And accordingly, what is L? L will be 20, right? What will be L? L will be 20. What is N? We have already calculated 50. What is CF? CF, always remember, we will not consider the corresponding this one. This will be neglected. We will go with 14, this one, above this, right? So now look at this one, CF and F. F is what? This will be F, right? So this will be your F. This will be your CF, cumulative frequency. L is 20. I think now we can easily calculate median. So what is median? Yes, median will be L. L is 20. 20 plus n upon 2. So 50 upon 2 is directly I'm writing 25 minus CF is 14 divided by F is also 14. So this is 14 into H. H means you can see the difference in every class, right? Or you can see the midpoint. So everybody is having difference of 10. So H will be 10. So if you calculate this one, you will get median is equal to 27.85. This is the required median, right? So now next step, I think everybody is familiar with next step. Now xi we are having, m we have already calculated. This is what? 27.85. Now 5 minus 27.85. Yes, this will be minus 22.85, right? 15 minus 27.85. Yes, this will be minus 12.85. 25 minus 27.5. Yes, this will be minus 2.85. Now 35 minus 27.85. This will be positive 7.5. Now 45 minus 27.85, we will just add 10. So 10 plus 7.5, it is 17.5. For next one, it will be 27.15. Right? What is the next step? We will find its absolute value. So we will change negative into positive. So 22.5, it is 12.85. Then 2.85, 7.15, 17.15, 27.15. Right? Now in next step, what we will do, we will multiply Fi with this mod xi minus m. So you have to be very, very careful. Again, we are multiplying these numbers with decimals, right? 6 into 22.85, it is 137.1. Then 8 into 12.85, yes, this will be 102.8. Now 14 into 2.85, it means 39.9. 16 into 7.115, it is 114.4. 4 into 17.15, yes, this will be 68.6. Then 2 into 27.15, this will be 54.3, right? So then finally what we will do, we will find its sum. Sum is 517.1, right? So what is the final required value? It is mean deviation about the mean. So that will be what? that will be 517.1 divided by summation fi, and summation fi is what? That is 50. So what is the final answer? It will be 10.34, and which is required mean deviation about the mean for given data. I hope everybody is clear. Okay, so let us try question number 12. The main difference between question number 11 and 12 is what? You can see class intervals. So here you can see 16 to 20, 21 to 25, and look at previous one. It was what? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. It means in previous question, frequency distribution. So that was continuous. But here you can see 16 to 20, then it is not 20 to other number. It is 21 to 25. So first of all, what we have to do here, we have to write our this frequency distribution as continuous. Now what we will do, you can see the difference is what? 20 to 1, it is the difference is 1, right? So 1 will be divided into what? Two parts. What we will do, we will divide 0.5 from 16, right? So this will be lower limit will be 15.5, and 0.5 will be added in higher limit. So that is 20. So 20.5 will be the higher one. Similarly, look at this one, 21. So if we subtract 0.5 from 21, so we will get 20.5. And if we add 0.5 in 25, so you can see it will be 25.5. Right? In this way, this is what? Now frequency distribution is continuous. Now easily we can solve this question just like previous question. Always remember, whenever you will deal these types of questions, what you have to do, first of all, you have to write frequency distribution in continuous form, right? So now what is the next step? Simply CF, cumulative frequency. So this will be 5, this will be 5 plus 6, 11. So then 11 plus 12, 23. So then 23 plus 14, 37. 37 plus 26, yes, this is equal to 63. 63 plus 12, 75. 75 plus 16, yes, it is 91. And 91 plus 9, 100. So number of terms is equal to 100. Or simply you can write summation fi. They are equal to 100. Right? What is the next step? We find the midpoint to find xi, right? So look at this one, 15.5 plus 20.5. It is what? 36, and 36 divided by 2. This will be 18, right? Look at next one. It is what? 45 plus 1, 46, and 46 divided by 2. Yes, this will be 23. So there will be a difference of 5. So simply you can add 5, 23 plus 5, 28. So then it will be, yes, 33, then 38, then 43, then 48, then 52, right? In this way, you can easily find xi. Now, what is the next step? We will find median, right? So median is what? Yes, the formula we have calculated in previous one. So now, first of all, what we will do, we will find the model class, right? So 100 divided by 2, it is what? 50. 100 is what? Even number. So here we will see 50th term and 51st term. So you, according to cumulative frequency, you can see 50 and 51st term. So they will lie in this class, right? So this is your model class. So what is L? L will be 35.5. N you have already calculated. N is 100. So n by 2 you can easily calculate. If we talk about C, C is what? C is cumulative frequency. But we will exclude this one, 63. We will go with 37. So 37 will be CF. Don't get confused with this 63, right? So now F means this one. Frequency in what? In model class, right? H is the difference between class intervals, right? So here you can see the difference is 5, or you can see the midpoint 18, 23, 28. So difference is 5. So here H is 5. So let us calculate M. So M will be what? L is 35.5 plus N upon 2. N upon 2 directly I'm writing 50, right? Minus CF. CF was 37. And what is F? F is 26. And what is H? H was 5. So if you calculate this one, you will get M equal to 38. So this is your median. Now what is the next step? Xi minus M. M means 38. So 18 minus 38, yes, it will be minus 20. Then 23 minus 38 minus 15. Then minus 10. Then minus 5. Then 0. Then 43 minus 38, yes, it will be 5. 48 minus 38, yes, this will be 10. And 53 minus 38, this will be 15. What is the next step? We will change negative into positive to find its absolute value. So yes, this will be 20, this will be 15, this will be 10, this will be 5, this will be 0, this will be 5, this will be 10, this will be 15, right? What is the next step? Yes, we will multiply each Fi with modulus Xi minus N. So now 5 into 20, yes, this will be 100. 6 into 15, yes, 90. 12 into 10, 120. 14 into 5, 70. 26 into 0, yes, it is 0. 12 into 5, 60. 16 into 10, 160. Then 9 into 15, it is 135. So what is the sum? This will be 735, right? And what is the final result? It is mean deviation about the median. So that will be equal to, yes, 735 divided by 100. And that will be equal to what? That is very easy, 7.35. And which is the required mean deviation about the median age for given person. I hope everybody is clear, right? So this is all about your today's class. I hope everybody has enjoyed this session. So if you really enjoyed this session, so then hit the like button and share this lesson with your friends. For any type of query or suggestion, you can use comment section. And for more interesting videos, you can subscribe Arena World Education. Thank you guys. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.